of double line 0.4 mm to 4.5 square mm double line. Now I am showing you this machine's parts. This is the tray. You can see that here we have to attach that tray. We have to attach the tray. यहाँ पे हम tray को attach करेंगे. Now here is this is a power plug. Power plug. The straightener. Here you have to attach. Here attach. There is the area you have to attach. For this attachment, in this Allen keys, guide tubes, and these are the portion you have to attach here. Here you have to attach this one. For this, for attaching this, you have to here voltage and then you have to attach both one. We have attached power plug, machine off, on. This is for the insert of the wire. Here you have to insert the wire and down it, then see if that is closed. You have to tight like that. Same for this one. Now this portion is for stripping length. This is for the front stripping. Front gap should be like that. You have to gap this one. If you want a clean like that, you should have to keep a 0 here. Same for the length 50 mm. Front back stripping 5 mm, and then for gap if you want. If you don't want here, you have to give a 0. This is a blade value. Blade value for this one. Knife value. How the knife will come down. And this one, this portion is for the strength. Now I am at this length. I am running it. You have to everything. You have to confirm it. Like that. This is for the test button. This for 2 seconds you have to hold. You have to test it. This for total run. Like that. This for stop. And this is the total stop. And this is for the emergency stop. Now I'm giving this portion I have given you. Now I am giving you 0. Here 0. Then confirm. Same here I am changing the length 100. Confirm. Here 0 I am giving it. Now this portion cap is coming. This will like that neat clean coming. You can see that coming at 100 mm, 5 mm stripping both the side. Now I already told you this is the value. Knife value. If the conductor is cutting, so you should have to increase this value. And if the conductor is not cutting, you have to reduce the value. And this is the power. Now here is the second value. Here is the speed. Speed for this running speed. One for strength, for the peeling this strength. Second is cutting strength. And third is the rolling. Cutting means blade value. Blade value. This one. This one is this one. And this is for the rolling. Rolling means this roller value. Now we have to confirm it. Then we have to enter. Now production is if you want 1,000 pieces, you have to keep it confirm. This one always keep a 0. This one you have to set it previous. This will automatically like that means if you have put like 1,000 to 1,000 piece do it. And this for the bunch you have to give 150 bunch, and this one 100, then confirm. And wait, 0 here, confirm 0. You should have to give a 0 this one always. And this one you have to put as per your production, total production and half production. You want 100 number of pieces, you want 50 number of pieces in one bundle, so you have to put this. Now you have to everything emergency stop, then run. We have run it.